Are you looking for the best body cameras in 2025? Whether it's for protection, security, or just capturing fun moments hands-free, we've tested the top wearable cameras to help you find the perfect match. Stay tuned to see which one stands out. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Boblov M7. This is an excellent body camera for many users, provided you're not using a Mac. Unfortunately, it's not Mac compatible, so Mac users should steer clear. That aside, it's a solid, well-priced option with plenty of useful features. The M7 uses USB-C for modern, convenient charging and includes GPS tracking for added context in your recordings. One standout feature is its rotatable camera lens, which lets you adjust the angle independently of how it's mounted. This flexibility means you can wear it awkwardly and still get a straight shot, or even place it on furniture to record from a fixed point. Controls are simple and easy to learn, and the built-in color screen is surprisingly sharp, making in-device playback and navigation straightforward. For Windows users, it's a great pick. Number 2. Transcend DrivePro Body 30. Though not the cheapest option, the Transcend camera impresses with its rugged build. It's housed in an IP67 rated case and meets the US military drop test standard MIL STD 810G 516.6, making it ideal for outdoor use. It features built-in Wi-Fi, a wide 130 degrees field of view, and can take snapshots while recording full HD video. The fixed aperture 2.0mm lens, built-in mic, and up to 12 hours of battery life add to its appeal, along with 64GB internal memory for immediate use. 4 IR LEDs support low-light recording. Operation is simple with one-touch control, but the loud activation beep and recording light make it less suited for discreet filming. Some user feedback questions the battery life, likely affected by Wi-Fi usage, which probably needs to be turned off to reach the claimed 12 hours. Number 3. Insta360 Go 3S. Designed with content creators in mind, this device is impressively compact and delivers stunning video quality, especially in daylight. Think of it as an action camera in 2 parts. A tiny camera, about the size of a thumb, that detaches from its Action Pod case and records independently for around 30 minutes. The pod holds the rest of the tech, including a touchscreen for controls, and charges the camera seamlessly, much like Apple AirPods. It even has Apple Find Me in case you misplace it. Light enough to wear on clothing with a magnetic pendant, it's discreet and smaller than most microphones. You get sharp 4K video and smooth footage, thanks to a built-in 6-axis gyroscope. While not ideal for all-night security, this camera is perfect for creators wanting to elevate their videos. Number 4. DJI Action 2. This camera isn't designed as a body cam, but its compact size and magnetic mount make it a solid choice for capturing POV footage. Though it's an older model, DJI is now on the Osmo Action 5 Pro, the Action 2's unique modular design and small body still make it the best body cam in DJI's lineup. I included it here even with the newer, smaller Insta360 Go 3S around, because DJI recently upgraded the Action 2's built-in storage to 128GB, showing it still has plenty of life. If you want discreet first-person video, the camera module can clip magnetically under a t-shirt or tank top, much less bulky than belts or head mounts. You can control it via the tiny touchscreen or the Mimo app, though Android users might struggle since DJI discontinued the app on Google Play. For Android users, this probably isn't the best pick. For cyclists, the range of mounts, including a classic helmet option, makes it versatile. Number 5. Boblov M5 and M5 Pro. This is the classic Boblov design, available as the M5 or M5 Pro, with variations like built-in GPS and different memory cards. When I tested it, the results were impressive. It comes with various mounts, from a simple clip that fits in a jacket pocket to a suction cup for dashcam use. The build feels sturdy. While I didn't test the full drop resistance, it's rated to survive a 2-meter fall, about the height of a tall person. The weight is reasonable, and the battery easily lasts a full shift. Having a built-in display is a nice bonus. Usability is straightforward with simple button controls, no complicated joysticks. The shutter button is easy to use, and the night lighting is strong enough to get the job done. So, which is the best body camera? The Insta360 Go 3S wins for its unbeatable combination of size, video quality, and versatility, perfect for every use case in 2025.